Jason Kaufman, Jonathan Kaufman, America Truck. The guy who set this up. Thank you, Jonathan Kaufman, for doing this, putting this on. Go subscribe, share, contact my YouTube channel, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do to my YouTube channel. This is Jonathan Peterson signing out. Good night. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And we'll see what this truck does, and this will be the last one. Last one for the year. This one's for you, Donald Trump. Stand back and salute.